Hey folks, welcome back to Lochs and Highways. Today we're rolling through one of Scotland's hidden gems, the stunning drive from Tarbet, nestled at the end of Loch Lomond, to Arrochar, hugging the edge of Loch Long with mountains that could put your Instagram filters to shame. Buckle up as we hit the A83, cruising through beautiful woodlands and sparkling waters of Loch Long, heading into Arrochar. It's a road where every twist and turn tells a story, so stay tuned for some proper Highland charm on this scenic drive.
Through the heather, we make our way. Scottish heart will never stray.
And here we are pulling into Tarbet, a small but mighty village steeped in history. Just past the Tarbet Hotel, you can almost feel the whispers of the Vikings who sailed these waters centuries ago. That's right, Tarbet was once a key spot where Norse raiders would haul their longships over the narrow strip of land between Loch Long and Loch Lomond, a shortcut to avoid the dangerous seas. Imagine those fierce warriors dragging their ships across this very ground, all for a quicker raid or escape. It's moments like this that remind you how rich and wild Scotland's past really is, right under our wheels.
In Scotland's heart, we overflow. Breath of the clans, whispering tight, under the stars in the freezing night. Mountains cradle our dreams so bold. In every tale our love is told. Hey! Highways stretch like ancient lore, touching the beauty we explore. From the glen to the loch so deep, in this love we'll always keep. On the road to Loch Lomond we roam, find our passion in the Highlands home. With every mile our love does grow. In Scotland's heart we overflow.
As we cruise into Arrochar, you're greeted by a charming village nestled right where the mountains meet the loch. Known as the gateway to the Highlands, this wee spot draws hikers, climbers, and anyone craving a bit of proper Highland beauty. If you're feeling peckish, don't miss the Ben Arthur Bothy on the left, a cosy little haven serving up some fantastic food after a day on the trails. Looming above is the Cobbler, one of the most iconic peaks in the area, known for its rugged, jagged summit that's a playground for climbers and a stunning sight for the rest of us. Arrochar is a proper Highland jewel, quiet enough to catch your breath, but packed with character that keeps you coming back for more.
Blazing bagpipes sing, echoes of the Highlands and everything. Drive it fast, feel alive, through the glens where legends thrive. Arrochar's heart, fierce and free, Scotland's spirit rides with me. Tree line paths and mountain views, every mile tells ancient truths. Rock and pints, a perfect blend. On this road, the journey won't end. Drive it fast, feel alive, through the glens where legends thrive. Arrochar's heart, fierce and free, Scotland's spirit rides with me.
As we edge along Loch Long, you're not just soaking in serene Highland beauty, you're tracing the footsteps of covert wartime heroes. During World War II, this quiet sea loch transformed into a shadowy fortress. Beneath these calm, deep waters, submarines slipped silently in and out under the cloak of night, dodging enemy detection to keep Britain's Atlantic supply lines alive. The loch's narrow, sheltered arms hid a top-secret Royal Navy base and repair yards, a lifeline for the silent hunters of the deep. Guarded like a treasure trove, Loch Long was a front line in a hidden war, where every repair, every mission could tip the balance between victory and defeat. So, as we cruise these waters today, remember, this peaceful loch once echoed with the tension and urgency of wartime spies and submariners risking it all beneath the Highland skies.
Fuel the fire like the flame. On this road, we stake our claim. Arrochar's cold, wild and bright, guides us home through day and night. Arrochar's heart, fierce and free. Scotland's spirit rides with
Well folks, that's a wrap on our Tarbet to Arrochar adventure. A journey through history, rugged mountains, and lochs with stories as deep as the waters themselves. Thanks for tagging along on this winding ride through some of Scotland's best kept secrets. If you enjoyed the trip, don't forget to smash that like button and give Lochs and Highways a wee subscribe if you're feeling generous. For more epic Scottish road tales, keep your wheels turning and I'll see you on the next adventure.
Arrochar's heart, wild and bright, guides us home through day and